road for 90.
Dada, your phone died. You still know the way to go, eh?
Yeah, I know the way to go.
Are we lost?
Yep.
Why don't we ask someone?
Darling, we're in the middle of nowhere. There's going to be no one out here that can help us.
What about that guy?
Tēnā koe,
Yeah, for me, dirt.
You're what, sorry?
No, you don't look like a dirt man.
Tēnā koe, Matua. Do you know how to get to my hihi?
My ha-ha.
So live your life. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, yeah, very good, very good. Super simple, really. All you're going to do, my hee-hee, you're going to head up that way, about 15 minutes, you're going to take a right and then a left. Then you're going to head on a little bit further up and you'll get to the old coal-fire tree. Oh, man, me mate Billy, we made a swing in that old coal-fire tree. And he's a really good rugby player, too, as long as you're on the left wing. So you'll go past old Auntie Becky's place. Oh, lovely place. Lovely place that was. Until the fire. Oh! If you're in a hurry, you want to cut through Roger's place.
Roger! These lovely folks can cut through your lower paddock, eh? Roger?
I think that's a yes. So anyway, once you've done all that, you're there. Kai Parāoa.
Thank you to you, and thank you to Roger.
May you have long days and pleasant nights.
Yeah, you too. Did you get any of that?
Roger. Kai Parāoa.